Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to change your primary country or region on Instagram in 2023. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. Firstly, open up your Instagram app and navigate to your profile. To start the process, click on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner, then head over to Settings and Privacy. In Settings and Privacy, scroll down until you find the option labeled Business Tools and Controls. Click on it to proceed. Here, you'll see the Switch to Business Account option. If you haven't already switched, go ahead and do so. I've already made the switch, so I'll click Switch to confirm. After switching, go back to your profile and click on Edit Profile. You'll now see various options like name, username, city, and more. To change the region or country, scroll down to the bottom where you'll find Contact Options. Click on it. Within Contact Options, locate the Business Address section. This is where you can add or update your country or region information. Include details such as your street address, city, town, and postal code. Make sure to enter a valid address so that people can easily find your location on maps. And that's it. You've successfully changed your primary country or region on Instagram. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.